all.
Good afternoon.
We have all gathered here for a design thinking based discussion on smart helmet accident system. Okay. So using embedded system, we are going to design a smart helmet by applying design thinking method. So we know that design thinking is a way of problem solving by considering each and every human needs. So totally there are 5 stages: empathy, define, ideate, prototype and testing. So apply these 5 stages and design a smart helmet system using embedded system. Okay, so here the activity which the students are going to perform here will be role play. Okay, so Vishnu will explain clearly about the activity.
Okay, hello guys. Today we're gonna do the role play on the basics of the road accidents. Right? We need to find a solution for that. The role play will be including rider. I will be explaining the problems faced by the people or road accidents, and the next will be the researcher will be doing the empathy part, and coming to the engineer, the role of engineer will doing the define part, and coming to demonstrator, he will be ideating the solution, types of solutions, and we have the brainstormer. He will explain the prototype and testing.
So as Vishnu said, each and every role for performing this activity is explained by Vishnu. So the rider part will be carried out by Vishnu, and the researcher part where focus towards empathy will be done by Shrija, and the engineer part where who will define the problem statement will be done by Priyanka, and the ideate part by Vikas, and the brainstorming session will be carried out by Sangeeta. So here we go. The first is Vishnu will perform the rider part. Yes.
Okay, guys. As a rider, while driving through the roads and highways, like I can able to see a lot of accidents happening. Like every seconds in India, there are thousands of accidents occurring. Like the locations where the accident occurred is also one of the main cause. Like the surrounding people, most of the time, the surrounding people are unaware of the next step, what need to be done in an accident zone, the area where accident occurred, and what treatment must be given. The information of accident is delayed to the medical emergency services. So hope I think we can find a solution for that in this role play. It will be like significantly do a great impact.
Next.
Next we are going to see the empathy part. In this, I found many problems faced by the riders as well as the victims. So here, first of all, I have observed many problems. Like victims are can't able to catch their family members. They can't reach their family members while committed any accident or during serious injury. They can't contact anyone else. After that, many of them forgot to wear helmets, so their serious injuries may occur for them. So, observing all this, so I conclude this like we should find safety systems, safety measured systems, and quick emergency response systems for this problem.
Okay, as an engineer, here my role is to, based on the research, our problem statement is how can we design a smart helmet to prevent road accidents and give an emergency message or the location of the rider where the accident occurred. And our embedded system has several components. In that, we are going to use some major components, which are microcontroller, which is the brain of the system. Here, it processes the data from the sensor, and next the accelerometer, which sends the data. Which sends the data if it has a sudden impact or any abnormal movement during the accident. Next, it's the GPS module. Here it identifies the exact location of the rider where the accident occurred. And next is GSM module. It sends the emergency message to the family or ambulance service. so that they can reach them quickly. And next, it's a helmet sensor. It ensures that the rider wearing an helmet. So when all these components work together, we can save a life and create a whole complete smart helmet.
Next.
As a brainstormer, there are millions of ideas in idea path. First of all, designing a safety helmet. While taking helmet, a notification will be sent through a mobile app. So that is a safety measure. And eye drowsiness. When we blink our eyes, the helmet will respond to it immediately. And to control it, we can also to reduce the mistakes of people. We can keep alcohol sensor in it. And the helmet can be used as a smart helmet like VR virtual reality. We can see the controls and the side mirrors of the vehicles are also displayed in the helmet as a display. So keeping the helmet more smart can reduce the accidents and all the riders can ride safely.
So next.
So hello guys, by considering Vikas point and Priyanka point, I have generated a working demo which is my work as a demonstrator. And your ideas were really awesome, but one of that idea was chosen by myself, and the components which were suggested by Priyanka also I have incorporated into this model. So first of all, when you wear the helmet, at that time itself you will get a signal that you are wearing a helmet. That was the first notification. And second, when the helmet is activated, there you will the sensor in the helmet will always observe the environmental issues. When accident occurs, the sensor will detect the vibration signal, and that will be passed to the microcontroller as she said. And that microcontroller will pass the message to GSM module and GPS. The GPS will locate the latitude and longitude of the exact location where you are. As Srija said, it was very difficult for people who were around the accident when accidents occur. Though people are around you, some may just pass and go, some may not listen to what is happening there. So family members may think that there may be a traffic or there may be a delay with some other things. They would not be aware of those accident. So this GSM module and GPS will help the family members to get a notification in their SMS, not only in your mobile but also in 2-3 family members mobile, which is asked before the login itself. When we pass to the testing mode, we have tested three cases. First case is when there is no accident, you will get a notification just you are wearing a helmet and the environment around you is clear. And when the accident is occurring, the second case is there is an accident for your family members or your peer group member, so just go near that. And the third case is exact longitude and latitude where exactly the accident has been happened, and also the case to nearby hospitals. Then they can rush with their ambulance, right? So these are the test cases.
So thus, as per our role play activity, we can come to a conclusion that with the help of the microcontrollers and other sensors, GSM and the GPS module, we can design an effective smart helmet accident system which could save many lives. So thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.